I miss the family I used to have. I feel like everything's so different now. Sitting by the fire as we'd watch the flames burn out. I miss the days I wasn't afraid. Now I always have my guard up, hands on my face. I learned to cope with the pain. I know that people think I'm trying to get attention, but in reality I'm trying to send a message. I know there's kids out there that are going through the same thing, and if you're one of them, I hope to help your suffering. Just know it will get better, and these feelings do not stay the same. No, they don't stay the same. I don't wanna make you feel bad, but you kinda ruined my life. You hurt me and ruined my life, and I don't wanna make you feel bad, but you kinda ruined my life. You hurt me and ruined my life.
Mazda RX-8, a Japanese sports car with a 4-door quad coupe that awarded almost 37 international awards at the end of year 2006, including the best of those as Japan Car of the Year, International Engine of the Year, and the UK Best Car of the Year. You may wonder how this 1.3-liter pretty small engine would hold this kind of significance and performance. Also, people whisper that this car has some critical failures. So it's time to talk about all these doubts. Today we're gonna talk from radio to spoiler and bumper to bumper on Mazda RX-8. The design of the engine of this car is very much significant. At first, let's talk about the rotary engine which is in this sports Mazda. This is totally different from the usual pistons that we meet daily. Usually the pistons engines come with petrol and diesel models with arrangements like inline 3-cylinder, 4-cylinder, 5-cylinder, straight 6, V6, V8, V12 and W16s. Usually in BMWs we can observe a straight 6 engine. The nickname V8 is very much popular because of the muscle cars and the Land Cruiser Sahara, which has a nickname called V8. The V12 are found in Lamborghinis and V16s are made of 2 V8 engines. Piston engine has 4 main functions. The first one is suck, which means with the movement of the piston downwards, the air gets into the piston chamber. Next is squeeze. When the piston moves down, simultaneously the fuel injector pumps fuel into the chamber. Then the piston starts moves upward with the mixture of air and fuel, and due to the pressure and electric spark of the plug, this energy bangs out and finally the power goes out to the exhaust. When this process continues, your vehicle starts moving its inches into kilometers and miles. Now let's talk about the rotary engine. People call this engine as the black sheep of the engine, which has 2 different metaphoric means. In automobile world, 95% of vehicles have piston engines and very less amount has rotary engines because Porsche and Mazda only produces these engines. Similarly, a black sheep is rarely found in middle of other ones. Also, they have no economical value. They don't hold a profitable economical value rather than the other sheeps. So, what it means is these kind of engines does not hold a significant economical profit and a value. The other meaning is that this car is known as the sign of the devil, which is called due to its performance and its significant sound, technology and its design. Now let's come to the process of rotary engine. There are so many similarities in this engine related to the piston engine. This also holds sucks, squeeze, bang and blow. The engine has following parts, namely as the triangular rotor and its stationary gear, the rotor chamber and its housing. What happens is when the air is taken through the air intake on the top, it moved by the rotor and the plug starts sparking. This blowing emits its energy through the muffler and then the car starts moving. Even this process is really similar to piston engine but so much simple than piston engines. This engine doesn't have a good and long reliability. The sad truth is you have to replace this rotary boy usually after 60,000 miles. This happens because the chamber damages with the movement of the rotor. Usually, piston engine contains more than 50-60 moving parts. If something goes wrong, we can replace these small parts. But if the rotor or rotor housing gets damaged, it's hard to remake and we may have to replace it. Since the production of these rotary engines are very low, we have to face difficulties in parts run also. Only because of this reason, we can't give a bad judgment about this car because it's normal situation that a rotor housing damages due to its rotor movement. Simply, it's due to wear and tear. The awards like UK Best Car of the Year cannot be reached without a big significance and performance of the engine. So this RX-8 is a beast with a small engine. The movements and moving parts of these engines are really low, so they have so much of lightweight and they have a sweet muffler sound. And most importantly, the control and driving pleasure, the feeling you get inside an RX-8 is so much different than the other cars. I really mean, you must have to try this, man. Even though this engine has very low amount of parts like front plate, rotor housing, rotor, rear plate and extended shaft which is used to move the rotor, there is a huge gap between pistons and rotors technically, performance-wisely and economically. A piston engine has nearly 50-60 moving parts. Piston engines are so much practical and used for many kind of production fields, but their size is much bigger than rotary engines. Piston engines are much reliable and economical. Talking about the fuel efficiency of this Mazda RX-8 holds a fuel efficiency of 8 to 9 kilometers per liter. So it's pretty much cool for a sports car with a good performance. In our country, Sri Lanka, this car can only goes to second and third gear extent because you can catch 100 km per hour just in 2 gears. As a sports car, we can't expect a good fuel economy, but if you wanna have some fun, this is one of the best options you can definitely have. Even though if we decide to replace the whole engine by 60,000 miles, this kind of a pleasure cannot be taken by any other car. Now let's see how this engine looks like. Usually most of the Japan vehicles are manufactured for Asian market, does not contain a well packed and arranged engine compartment. But this RX-8, Mazda produces it specially for American market. So they have included a special cover and a nice arrangement for this vehicle. This kind of arrangement can protect your car even from a crash.
It's the calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. The tides are changing. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound?
Talking about the front view of this car, what I can assure you that this has a relationship with Mazda MX-5. Do you want to know about that beast also? Just click subscribe button and stay with Youth Garage. Rather than MX-5, the sporty and the look of this car reminds me a movie Lightning McQueen. What is your opinion about that? But the producer says it's a Dodge Viper. The aggressive and the narrow headlamps, original wheel arches that comes with signal indicators brings the sporty design for this vehicle. Talking about the crumple zone, normally when sports car get crashed, the crumple zone damages much heavily and even the engine goes backwards, damaging the passengers also. But this Mazda RX-8, which Mazda wants to sell it in America, owns a really good and strong crumple zone that provide a good safety for passengers. In view, we can see that the company has used so much of design patterns like triangulars, curves, grills, back windows to make the RX-8 pretty much attractive. In the rear view, I cannot believe that this car is a design from 2002 because it has so much of modern look. We can see a hand-mounted high spoiler, the Mazda logo and RX-8 emblems in the back and a factory-fitted functional dual exhaust. Similarly, this car has a really good boot area that can be satisfied as a sports car. Even though this car has 4 passenger seats and 4 doors, this is called a quad coupe. This car contains a red and black mixed aggressive interior design. The postings are made using soft touch materials, leather and plastics. Nickel panels and door models are found and the seats have really good hold and comfort. The access buttons are made much bigger and looking because you don't drive this class lower and you need quick access for these buttons. Storage area and cup holders are found in the center console. This car comes with the original Bose sound system. In the steering wheel we can see the dual multi-functions with airbag protection. Talking about the meter panel, this panel is so much pretty awesome. In the middle you can see the RPM level manually and the speed is displayed in digital count. This car has 4 airbags, so as a sports car you can save your ass from a crash. When I sat on the driving seat, I can get a clear view around the car and the road. The steering wheel is provided with paddle shifters which we can paddle up and down the gears from both sides as left and right. So if you are right-handed or left-handed, you can use your better preference since both up and down options are provided with both hands. Talking about the significant design of this car, Mazda has used a light-based chassis and a 50-50 weight distribution. That means both front weight and rear weight of the car is very much equal. Usually when the front wheel cars has a very much high weight on the front, they used to topple over at very high speeds. But Mazda's features and designs have made this tiny car a beauty and a beast that holds good performance and control over the speed. But due to the engine failures of this car, the market value has dropped by now to 35 lakhs in Sri Lanka. Imagine that you bought this car for 35 lakhs and waste 5 more lakhs on repairs. Using those 5 more lakhs, the nice experience and the fun you get in this car is nearly incomparable. Now let's talk about some important awards won by this car. In 2003, the International Engine of the Year, the Best Car of Vios Magazine in Australia, 2004 Singapore Car of the Year, USA Best Sports Car, UK Best Sports Car, and along with Cars and Drivers magazine, this car was unbeatable at top 10 car list in 2004, 5 and 2006 consecutively. Also, this got the first place in War of King competition organized by Cars and Drivers magazine. As Youth Garage, we always brings you the economic, classical and sports cars that suits for your choice and your passion. So subscribe our channel, show some love, hit the like button and share this video for others' preferences. Stay with Youth Garage, get to know the best cars for your choice. See you on with another car review. This is Youth Garage.
The calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now.